what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how you can easily reset your Wix website, especially if you want to start over. So of course, just head over to your Wix dashboard and make sure that you're logged into your Wix account. Just look on the left panel, then look for settings. From here, just scroll down until you see website settings. From the website settings page, just scroll down to the end until you see restore versions. Just click on it. So from here, you can choose at which revision you want to reset, or if you want to fully reset your website, just scroll down until the very end of the revision. In my case, this is the very last revision that I had. Then the next thing you're going to do is click on this right arrow icon, then click on restore. Then once again, click on restore. Going to proceed with edit site. From there, your website will be reset to that revision. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. If you do, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!